Tanny Cooks here with another grocery haul. This was a haul for my grandmother, so this is on her dining room table, and that's why the location looks different. So I got her some Duke's mayonnaise, some McCormick's pure vanilla extract. You want the good vanilla extract when you make cakes or pancakes or sweet potatoes. I also got some lemon juice. This was from Food Lion. She likes iceberg lettuce and tomatoes. Iceberg lettuce doesn't have a lot of nutrients, but it is a crisp lettuce for salad. I got some thick sliced bologna and some country pride cooked ham. This is a local South Carolina company. I got some sweet cream butter from Publix, as well as some cooked okra and some sea salt. I actually had to go to multiple stores for her list. So from Food Lion, I got the black pepper, and I also got some little salt and pepper shakes. A bag of yellow onions is always necessary, and she loves this Yoplait yogurt. So I get it in different flavors. And the Duke's mayonnaise was buy one, get one free. So I got two. And she wanted them seasoned glory greens. Now I also got some juice, 100% juice, Welch's, as well as the Orchard brand, and Mott's apple juice. She loves cabbage, and so I got some green cabbage, as well as some carnation milk, which she wanted pet milk, but they didn't have it. And she eats the cranberry gel all throughout the year. And I think she's going to use this honey for her tea. So that's why I got that. And then she loves some meat. So I have some ground chuck burgers, as well as some turkey legs, pumpkin pie seasoning, as well as cinnamon and bacon. And then she wanted okra, and I wasn't sure if she wanted the plain cut okra or the breaded okra to deep fry, so I just got both. And then these are some beef ribs, which aren't cheap, but they are super delicious, and it's a great alternative to eating pork ribs. So these beef ribs are yummy. I got her some eggs and some sweet and low, as well as Thousand Island dressing and some minced garlic. So quite a few things she wanted on her list, but I was happy to go get them for her. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other grocery hauls and my recipe videos, and leave me a comment and let me know what you would like to see me cook next. Thank you.